Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can use Google Maps offline. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, go to your Google Maps application on your phone, and if you want to use the Google Maps offline, at first you should have internet connection because we want to use it to download the maps. So the first thing we have to do is tap on our profile button right here, and then you are going to select the offline maps option, this one. Just tap on the offline maps and you're going to select the maps you want to use it. Just tap on the select your own map. You can select the area right here. You can scroll your screen like this to select the area. Okay, once you're done selecting the area, you just need to click on download option right here, and then after you downloaded the Google Maps, you will be able to use the Google Maps offline. Okay, and just click on the download now. Alright guys, and that's how we can use the Google Maps offline. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.